And when Shakoria Wallace signed up for the Enhanced Games, there was a bit of shock among Jamaicans as they didn't expect a local athlete to be taking part. But could this lead to more Jamaicans putting their hands up for lanes? Keon Rayner has that story.
When organizers announced the launch of the Enhanced Games, stakeholders around the world waited to see which athletes would commit to the controversial competition. Several international athletes, including American Olympic 100-meter silver medalist Fred Curley, have since signed on, but the real surprise came when a Jamaican athlete joined the list. 33-year-old sprinter Shakoria Wallace recently confirmed her participation, becoming the first Jamaican to do so. While Jamaica Olympic Association President Christopher Samuda says the move was not entirely unexpected, he does not foresee a rush of Jamaicans following suit.
It's a human factor, and not all of us are made up of the same, and not all of us are driven by the same factors. So it's not surprising from that perspective, but it certainly would be surprising if I see 15, 20, 30 or 40 other athletes joining.
Former CAC 400-meter hurdles champion Daniel JOA, however, believes more local athletes could be tempted, particularly by the financial incentives on offer.
Just look at it from a national perspective, based on athletes who've retired past their prime in vulnerable situations who would likely be targeted for this event. The person that signed up is not a high on that list. We have plenty of athletes who fit the criteria, the ideal candidate to sign up for this game.
Samuda agrees that money could influence a few athletes, but insists widespread participation from Jamaica is unlikely.
I'm surprised at that view, based on the fact that I know our athletes, I know our coaches, I know our professionals who attend to our athletes. And I would believe, and without having any empirical evidence, that there are not going to be many persons who are going to be drawn to the Enhanced Games. It is those who are perhaps maybe in a pecuniary position that is adverse, those who may very well not be able to earn at the time. But certainly, from our perspective, the Jamaica Olympic Association perspective, I don't see that our athletes are going to go in droves to the Enhanced Games.
Meanwhile, speaking at Thursday's Jamaica Anti-Doping Seminar, Sports Minister Olivia Babsy Granger stressed that the integrity of sport must be protected, urging stakeholders to see clean sport as more than just a regulatory obligation.
We must agree as a nation that when we uphold clean sport, we are safeguarding our global reputation. We are safeguarding our rich legacy and strengthening the foundation on which our athletic prowess has been built.
The Enhanced Games, which will feature swimming, track and field, weightlifting, gymnastics, and combat sports, is set to debut in Las Vegas in May 2026. It's a game where athletes are permitted and even encouraged to use performance-enhancing drugs aimed at breaking traditional sports records with massive cash prizes for new world records. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.